Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lee. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of this lovely bob that you see on me. And this unit was sent to me by an Amazon company called AToZWIG. AToZWIG, thank you for sending me this unit for review. I appreciate it. So the unit came in this nice simple box with the blue writing on it that says AToZWIG, and this is a Brazilian human hair wig straight in the color 1B, and it has a 4x4 lace, and the density is 150. So I believe this unit costs $49. I'll leave the link in the description box so you can check it out if you like what you see. But for cap construction, it comes with two combs right here and two comb in right over here and a comb in the back with adjustable straps. This is the first unit that I've ever gotten that has like 4 combs in it. It was a little weird, but oh well. But yeah, I love it. Do you guys see that? Like, do you see how it's just soft and I can't stop touching it? Like, oh, this is what the parting spit looks like. I plucked it a little bit and I put a little bit of powder and it looks good. That's about it. I didn't have to do a lot to it. All I did was just put the powder, like I said, and then I flat iron it a little bit, and I'll use my hot comb to like lay this flat. I wish right here I could lay it flat, but that's all my fault because I have a TWA on her hair, so I didn't know what to do with it, so that's why. If you can see a little home push right here, that's why. But overall, this is a really nice unit. Like, it is perfect for the summertime. Perfect. You don't have to do anything about it. You don't have to worry about it touching your shoulders and rubbing on your skin. None of that. And so far, I did not get any shedding or tangling. If it had tangled, I would have been a little bit suspicious, but it did not tangle because it's a human hair and it's very short. This is it's 8 inches. So I love it. So I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what it looks like all around. But yeah guys, so what do you think about this unit? I love it. Really, I love it a lot. And thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I will link them somewhere. They'll pop up somewhere here. All right, have a good day. Bye.